Good day, guys. Today's topic is reading comprehension, part 1. I'm Mohammad Firoz, Senior Verbal Trainer, Geetam University, and this is a set of inside training videos that has been brought to you by Geetam University. Let's continue. Reading comprehension 1. Okay. So, what is reading comprehension? What do you mean by reading comprehension? What is reading comprehension? Reading comprehension is nothing but understanding what you read, logical analysis logical analysis of what you read, trying to figure out the answers. Now, why is reading comprehension asked? Why is reading comprehension asked in the exam? To see how much you understand. One, to see your logic skills. Two, and mainly to see if you can make sense of a dense words given to you. This is brought about in every exam because they want you to understand whether when you come to understand when you come to the higher classes to study, whether you are going to understand what they're trying to say. So comprehension is included in each and every typical exam. Okay, so now let's continue. Let's go on with the first reading comprehension, opera. Opera refers to a dramatic art form originating in Europe in which the emotional content is conveyed to the audience as much through music, both vocal and instrumental, as it is through the lyrics. So, the music as well as the lyrics give you the comprehension of the theme. By contrast, that means opposite of, in musical theaters, an actor's dramatic performance is primary. Musical theater and actors, drama is more. In opera, music is more, and in theater, drama is more. Okay, and music plays a lesser role. That means it plays a secondary role. The drama in opera is presented using the primary elements of theater, such as scenery, costumes, and acting. However, the works of the opera or libretto are sung rather than spoken. So they use, in drama they use words, and here they use music and singing. Okay. The singers are accompanied by a musical ensemble. Ensemble is nothing but a collection of musicians ranging from small instrumental ensemble to a full symphonic orchestra. Full symphonic orchestra is a huge musical band. Musical band. So, what all did we do when we were going through the RCs? Okay, let's list them down. Number one, read slowly. You have a lot of time. Number two, pinpoint the keywords. Pinpoint the key words. Try to jot down the essence of the paragraph next to it. like how I used to underline the words and note it down in small little points what the paragraph really means so we can easily jump to it. Now, the fourth thing you should be doing is trying to see if there are any contrast words. Contrast words are something like by contrast, however, something like that. Now let us keep all these strategies in mind and let us go to the questions. One side is, as you can see, the RCs that have been given, and second on the other side is the questions that you're supposed to solve. Now, one, look at number one. It is pointed out in the reading of the opera that opera is reading is nothing but a paragraph. This is how you're going to get the questions. It is pointed out in the reading that opera has developed under the influence of musical theater. Not see it. It said it is originating in Europe, but it never said under the influence. It has developed under the influence of music theater. So this cannot be the right answer. Is a drama sung with the accompaniment of a orchestra. This might be a correct answer. Let's keep this aside. One of the, don't decide for anything till you read the last, and the tip for you is don't decide anything till you read till the last bit. Okay, one possible answer. Okay, it is not a high budget production. Nowhere it is given it cannot be a high budget production. It might be, it might not be. It is often performed in Europe. No, it is performed all over the world, but the origins are in Europe. So this is also not correct. Is the most complex. Nowhere is it given it is the most complex of all the arts. So this also is not correct. So answer has to be B. Then it's a drama sung with the accompaniment of an orchestra. As usual, before I solve everything for you, you need to pause the video and look at the questions and try to answer them yourself so you can see how much you are going according to the strategies that I have taught you. Okay, second one. We can understand from reading that people are captivated more by opera than musical theater. But here it's coming comparison. But nowhere in the paragraph has it comparison been given. So this is wrong. Drama in opera is more important than in music. And actually, drama is not very important. It's more, music is more important. So this is also not the correct answer. Orchestras in opera can vary considerably in size. Okay, because this is given, they are sometimes accompanied by musical ensemble, that is orchestra, ranging from the smallest orchestra to full symphony, that means big. There's nothing but symphonic means big orchestra. Okay, so this might be the answer. Keep it aside as possible answer. PA. Musical theater relies above all on music. Okay, it doesn't rely above all on music. It relies on drama. So this is also not correct. There is argument over whether the music is important or the words are important in the opera. Nobody is it given. There is no critical analysis. So this is a wrong answer. So answer is C. Orchestra in operas can vary considerably in size. Okay, good, very good. For the people who have got the answer, both the answers, excellent. You're doing excellently. Let's go on to the next one. It is stated in the reading that acting and costumes are secondary to music in musical theaters. It is actually dependent upon acting. It's given. It is dependent upon scenery, costumes, and acting as well. So this is not correct. Many people find musical theaters more captivating than opera. Nowhere given. Again, it's coming to comparison and analysis. Comparison and analysis. Nowhere is it given in the paragraph, so this is also not correct. Music in musical theater is not as important as it is in opera. Might be possible answer. Let's keep it aside and let's keep it under PA. An opera requires a huge orchestra as well as a large choir. Choir is nothing but singing group. So nowhere is this given, so this is also wrong. Opera doesn't have any properties in common with musical theater. It has a lot of properties that is common with the musical theater, so this is also wrong. So our answer is C. Music in musical theater is not as, it's important but not as important as it is in opera. So answer has to be C. I hope you have been following and you have been getting the right answers. Let's go to the next one. Dolphins are regarded as the friendliest creatures in the sea, and stories of them helping drowning sailors have been common since Roman times. The more we learn about dolphins, the more we realize that their society is more complex than people previously imagined. They look after dolphins when they are ill, care for pregnant mothers, and protect the weakest in the community as we do. That means, as humans do. Some scientists have suggested that dolphins have a language, but it is much more probable that they communicate with each other without needing words. Could any of these mammals be more intelligent than man? Certainly. The most common argument in favor of man's superiority over them is that we can kill them more easily than they can kill us is the least satisfactory. Violence is not the common denominator here. On the contrary, that means opposite of what we are telling right now, the more we discover about these remarkable creatures, that is dolphins, the less we appear as superior when we destroy them. Okay, so it's a humanitarian passage. Let's see. So here he is asking, instead of directly asking you reading based, directly what have you read, he is asking you questions based on the paragraph where we have to apply some logic here. The fact that the writer of the passage think we can kill dolphins more easily than they can kill us means that they are better adapted to their environment that we are, but we are not talking about environment because killing doesn't come under environment. So this is the wrong answer. Shows that dolphins have a very sophisticated form of communication. Violence and communications don't come together. This is the wrong answer. Proves that dolphins are not the most intelligent species at sea. Just because they don't, they're not intelligent. If in fact, if they can resolve the issues through communication, not through killing, they're more intelligent than people who resort to killing or species that resort to killing. Okay, this is the wrong answer. Does not mean that we are superior to them. Very good. Just because dolphins don't kill us as easily as we can kill him does not mean we are superior to them. That's what the whole passage has been saying. If you see the later half of the passage, the most argument in favor of man's superiority over them is that we can kill them more easily than they can kill us is the least satisfactory. On the contrary, the more we discover about these remarkable creatures, the less we appear superior to them. So, does not mean that we are superior to them, and it proves that dolphin has linguistic skills far beyond. So this is talking about linguistic, but that is not what is given in the question. So this is also wrong. Does not mean that we are superior to them. It should be the answer. Directly as inferred. These are called logic inference. Logical inference means what can you say that has not been directly given in the passage. Okay? One can infer. Can you see this question? Infer, that means what can be deduced. Deduced means what can you logically take out of the passage from the reading that dolphins are quite abundant in some areas of the world. Doesn't say about dolphin populations here. Communication is the most fascinating aspect of the dolphins. Okay, let's keep this aside as a possible answer. Dolphins are skilled. No other living creatures have such as the ability to think. Not necessary. A lot of other creatures also have the ability to think. It is not usual for dolphins to communicate with each other. Also, they do communicate, but without words. Dolphins have some social traits, that means characteristics that are like those of humans. Okay. Yes, this is also possible answer. Now we got two possible answers. Communication is the most fascinating aspect of the dolphin. Now they know, mm, could they have, but but it is more probable that they communicate with each other without needing words. See, when you're stuck between two answers, then you have to go with what the question is asking you. One can infer. Infer means not directly given. Okay. Okay. So communication is the most fascinating, is already directly given. So this cannot be the answer. But they look after other dolphins when they are ill, take care for pregnant mother dolphins, and protect the weakest dolphin in the community. That means they have social traits. Social trait, that means they're living together as a society. Only in society they look after each other. We look after each other who are ill, we take care of our pregnant mothers and protect the weakest people in the community, because that's what is society. So answer has to be E. Dolphins have some social traits, not all, some social traits that are like those of humans. So here I have given you some questions based on directly what can be taken from the passage, and some questions based on what can you logically infer. Okay, so hope you learned a little bit about how to solve the RCs, and we will be continuing the same thing next week too. Okay, that's all for now, and more learning resources will be given to you. Now get ready for the mock test, and all the best. Thank you so much for attending.